Welcome to the demonstration which will guide you with the step-by-step procedure involved in applying digital signature certificates in a paperless manner using PAN KYC. To get started, please click on the Apply Certificate link which you have received on your email ID. Before proceeding to apply for certificate, make sure that you have below mentioned scan copies. Scan copy of PAN card, scan copy of address proof, passport size photo of the applicant, applicant details to be filled in the application form. If the mentioned details are ready, let's get started with the process. Fill the required applicant details in enrollment page and click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP which you have received on your mobile number and email ID. Create the KYC account for the applicant by entering the desired username and PIN of your choice. Browse the respective scanned documents. Check the terms and condition box and enter the captcha as displayed. Now click on Verify eKYC details. If the entered details are matched with PAN database, you will be able to see certificate selection window. Now select the certificate details as per your requirement. To get the best price offer, enter the coupon code mentioned on the right-hand side of the screen and click on Apply. Now create the challenge code of your choice. This code is used at the time of certificate download. If you wish to receive the USB token to a different address, please click on option Yes and fill the details as required. Mention the GST details if you have any, else click on No and enter the captcha as displayed. Now click on Proceed to verify. Please verify your certificate and billing information. If anything needs to be changed, click on Edit. If the details are correct, click on Proceed for payment. You will be redirected to a secured payment page. Please choose the payment method and complete the payment process. Once the process is completed, page will be redirected to e-sign authentication. Enter the 6-digit PIN, which you have created at the time of KYC enrollment process, and click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP which you have received. Check the Agree button and click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application. Now click on Click Here button to complete the video verification process. This will redirect you to video verification portal. Please make sure that the video needs to be completed by the applicant displaying the original ID and address proof. Once the video verification is completed, your application will be approved within 2 minutes and the same will be ready for download. In this video, we have guided with the entire process involved in applying for PAN-based paperless digital signature certificate. For further queries and clarifications, please contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching.